We've got our chicken. It's thinly sliced chicken that I like to work with here for this recipe. You can get regular chicken breast and thinly slice it yourself, of course. Might be a little more affordable that way. But I did buy these already thinly sliced. They're basically just cutlets. You can also use boneless, skinless chicken breasts for this recipe as well. All right, once the chicken is nice and patted dry, we're gonna go ahead and season it up. So we're gonna hit it with some kosher salt, a little bit of smoked paprika. Ooh, I really like this garlic salt. This one's from Aldi, it's really good. A little garlic salt, has flakes of like black pepper and parsley on it. And then I'm also gonna use some pesto, about a tablespoon of pesto. Lastly, we're gonna use some really good extra virgin olive oil, and that's gonna help us bind everything together in our little marinade here. So now we're just gonna mix it all together. If you have the time, let this marinate. If not, you're gonna do like me and you're gonna get it right on the stove or the grill. So once the chicken is nicely coated, just like this, you're pretty much ready to go. And we're gonna go place our chicken . So we're gonna keep our stove on a medium-high heat because we wanna get really good color on the chicken. Oh, I bought a splatter guard because I was so sick of getting splattered last week. Yay. So I like to just go around the perimeter of the pepper to not get any seeds in it. And then we're going to just simply chop it into strips first, and then we'll chop it into little squares for the perfect bite-size piece. You use any color pepper, does not need to be a red pepper. Use whatever you have on hand. Ooh, yeah. These are the little cute, small English cucumbers. You can use whatever kind of cucumbers you like. Some fresh flat leaf parsley for a little freshness here. Great way to use up leftover parsley in your home, in your refrigerator. I'm gonna quarter these actually, because I don't like when they're cut in half. I like when they're a little smaller. You can also use the like colorful tomatoes, like the medley, like red, purple, yellow. Those are fun too. All right, we're gonna chop up our romaine and then get it washed. Now the romaine is gonna just, again, soak up so much flavor in this salad. You won't even notice it, but you can also use, it's a little bad piece. You can also use like that dinosaur kale for this, or they call it Tuscan kale. It would be really good in this as well because it holds up. We're gonna chop our red onion, and then we're gonna chop our mozzarella, and then we'll drain our beans, and then that'll be the last step. You can also buy pre-chopped ingredients that will make this process go by a little faster. Just going to dice this up. Fresh mozzarella is going to make a nice difference in the salad, giving you a nice, smooth, velvety mouthful of a yummy cheese that's mild enough to absorb all the goodness of the salad, like the dressing. So we're just going to cube it up. We're going to chop our chicken up. You want just a nice dice here, nothing too crazy, just a nice mouthful. You can also keep this meatless because, again, the beans are a high source of protein here. And you can also add in other protein dense ingredients like edamame or again, the chickpeas would have been a great addition if that is your bean of choice, and you'll still get your protein. This one's gonna have a pound of chicken, so that's super dense in protein, and then also the 16 ounces of white beans. So I think we're covered with the high protein factor here. This salad's looking quite substantial, so we're going to ensure we have enough dressing. So our 4 ingredients, really good olive oil. Doesn't matter the brand, just make sure it's high quality because that's the base of the dressing. Then we're gonna use our sweetener. So honey is our sweetener. And you kind of need like an emulsifier, so you can use mayo, you can use anything that's like kind of creamy, but we're gonna go with mustard. And then you're going to need something acidic, so we're going with our lemon. And that's it. Salt and pepper, of course, for additional flavor. In with our olive oil, in with our honey, our mustard, and then, oh, I'm gonna add a little garlic too. A little lemon juice. Any pepper would do. You can use red pepper flakes as well. I'm using white pepper. Better. So once the dressing's emulsified, that's how you know you've made a dressing. The oil has combined with all the other ingredients. You're good to go. 2 handfuls. Might come back and add more, but we'll start there. Then let's add our red peppers, red onion, our tomatoes, our parsley, our mozzarella, followed by, I have some carrots here that I had pre-shredded. Some carrots, our chicken, and our beans. A little brininess. We have some banana peppers we're just gonna throw on top. Dressing. Ooh, yeah. So we've mixed everything up, so no need to dig around too far for what we need. Literally the perfect bite right here. So bomb. You gotta try it. Crunchy, literally acidic, sweet, salty, creamy. Has everything covered. So bomb. Want a bite?